Why is the Cybertruck a failed product? Well, at least a failure in the terms of sales, not quality. Not innovation, just pure numbers. Everyone knows I love my Cybertruck, but today I'm not here to talk about all the reasons of why I do. Let's face the facts. According to CNBC, Tesla has sold just over 52,000 Cybertrucks in the US alone since deliveries began in late 2023. In 2025, specifically, quarterly sales have dropped sharply. In Q2 of 2025, just around 4,300 units were sold, down 50% year over year. And following right after that in Q3, only 7,000 units sold, producing an annualized pace of roughly 20,000 units per year, far below expectations. Specifically, Tesla originally projected 125,000 units per year with plans to scale up to 250,000 units annually by 2025. Even Elon Musk claimed having over 1 million reservations before launch, calling demand, quote unquote, off the charts. Well, let's do a reality check, folks. The conversion rate from those reservations to actual sales is under 5%, compared to an industry norm of anywhere between 2 to 16%. For all intents and purposes, an epic failure. So why did this happen? The reason is simple. This truck is a product that falls victim of marketing to a niche, of a niche, of a niche. I remember Mr. Wonderful from the Shark Tank sharing this rough message that applies to the Cybertruck. Something along the lines of loving to invest in products that are cross-seasonal and desired across all age groups. A product that is a niche of a niche is unlikely to succeed. Cybertruck is exactly that. It doesn't appeal to the masses. I would have hated to invest in it, but as a consumer, boy, do I love it. Let me explain. Most people just want a car that gets them from A to B affordably. That's not the Cybertruck. Niche number one, consumers that aren't worried about affordability. Next, truck buyers. There are two main groups here. Workers who need towing, hauling, basically being able to beat the living bejesus out of their trucks. And there are luxury truck owners who want comfort and technology. The Cybertruck isn't a worker's truck. No EV truck today can tow heavy payloads for long distances. And the Cybertruck, it's luxurious. It has screens, leather seats, cameras, autonomous driving. You're not throwing muddy tools inside of it. So that brings us to niche number two, non-conventional truck owners. Even among luxury truck buyers, the Cybertruck is polarizing. People either think it's the coolest thing ever, or the ugliest fridge on wheels, or whatever other derogatory label haters will label it with. So now that brings us to niche number three, the looks. And then there's Elon Musk. He's outspoken and admirably someone that acts on their views. But he has made Tesla one of the most loved and now hated brands out there. That means Cybertruck owners need confidence and a thick skin. They have to be okay with people flipping them off, berating them, or making childish comments about them and the truck. Effectively, they have to be okay standing up to bullies and haters that suffer from a variation of Trump deranged syndrome, but this time around it's Elon Musk deranged syndrome. Me personally, I just laugh back at those people. They're crazy, and illogical hate to a complete stranger like me says more about them than it does about me. This is why the Cybertruck is a sales flop, an epic failure. It's not an affordable A to B car. It's not a worker's truck. It's a luxury truck that has the most polarizing looks arguably of all time. And you need to have thick skin to own one. Now the question is, will this change? Maybe, but not anytime soon. I think it'll take anywhere between 3 to 5 years as the design becomes more normalized and prices drop. Elon's already starting to blend the Cybertruck style and look and feel into the Model Y and Model 3. So over time, that futuristic look might become more mainstream. In the meantime, for those that have worked hard to responsibly afford the sticker price, that need a truck for small scale needs like I do in my real estate business, that love tech and enjoy the most futuristic look in the market, this is the best product out there, hands down. For the majority of others that don't meet these niches, I hope you love whatever car or truck you use, and hope that you are able to one day own or drive your dream car or truck. If you enjoyed this breakdown, go ahead, smash that like button, follow me, and subscribe for more Cybertruck content, real-world FSD full self-driving scenarios, and even tips on the path towards homeownership. Check out my YouTube playlist for home DIY do-it-yourself repairs, maintenance, and renovation projects, as well on about wealth building strategies. Thanks for watching.